in here because the lighting, it's different. So it throw you off. That's why you need to match your color outside. I mean, don't pay attention to this light because this light is different than the sunlight. Like you, same thing. Your light means a lot when you take pictures. Take a picture of people when the sun is hitting them, they're gonna come out like, so you need to do something about it, right? It looks more green right here because of the light. You never match a color inside the booth. Before you color, you're supposed to match it outside, and when you're ready, you put it in and paint it, you're done.
All right, so I got a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia that came in. It had got hit back here in the sleeper, which you can see the before photos. It was pretty bad in through here. Same thing on the door. We went through, body worked it, got it back together, painted. Paint was a little tricky on this one because the door had been a repaint that somebody did before, but the top and the backs were still the original color. So playing around with that and trying to get the color correct took a little while. But we got it. It's done, pretty much ready to go home.